My name is Abhishek Kumar. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I'm a third year student in Maharaja Agar Singh Institute of Technology, Rohini, New Delhi, pursuing a BTech Mechanical Automation Engineering. I was always active in science related projects and events at school. That was why I chose the engineering as my undergrad degree. Well, the first time I heard about the Career Lab was via a mail which was sent to us by our training and placement department of our college. So the mail was about the webinar from the Career Labs on profile building and master program, and I attended it. And after I attended two webinar, I was very clear that I want to go for masters. Then after making that decision, I contacted the Career Lab for some queries, talked to them, and made my parents talk to them so that their doubts can be cleared. And I can remember that my counselor was Tariq sir, and he was nice. He made my parents doubt go away, and I was made to go through some diagnostic tests and CV builder. In the diagnostic test, I was made to attend some aptitude questions, which was very general. And in the CV builder app, I was made to fill some details about me, so that that app can evaluate me, and my mentors can evaluate me, and they can suggest the things that will augment my CV. And after 15 to 20 days joining the Career Labs, I received my mentor call, and in which she recommended me some starter packs and other things to boost my CV. The starter pack that was recommended to me belong to various domains, not to a single domain. For example, the Python for analysis, which was not from my domain but was given to me so that I can explore that too. Other starter pack courses were embedded system, IoT and wireless communication, robotics and mechatronics, and structural stress engineering on SolidWorks. That were my starter pack courses. As I said, I chose two mechatronic projects for my advanced course from Skyfi Lab. Well, the course was about the robotic arm and a bipedal robot. The course discussed about the theory which is related with programming on the Arduino IDE software, and other robotic theory related to the robotics like inverse kinematics and forward kinematics, which are being used to make the robotic arms and various type of other robotic arms. I remember all the webinars and the good things that were said by the Kritika ma'am, and all the things that were recommended by the Kritika ma'am, and all the handouts were given to us, which basically helped me in the selecting my grad schools, selecting my specialized fields, and some research and how to write research papers and all of that. Well, ma'am, in starting I used to have plethora of queries which I mailed to the Career Lab, and I was answered in almost 1 to 2 days every time. And whenever I had a major doubt, then Tariq sir contacted me every time via WhatsApp or via call within 30 minutes or to 1 hour after I posted the query. So it was very smooth. I would like to say to all the aspirants that you should plan your higher studies in advance, like in second or mid first year in advance, so that you can be free of the chaos that is made in the last year of your undergrad degree. Like I'm facing it, the process of the grad school right now, and I wish someone had told me earlier about the GRE in my second year. I would given at that time, because it takes some time to prepare that too. And if you prepare in advance in your second year, then it will help you coping with your admission process as well as your undergrad studies as well, because your undergrad studies should not suffer by the long admission process.